What is up? Back over here to shoot the drone up. It's gonna get the aftermath of what looks like somebody said to go check it out again on YouTube. So I'm just setting this up right here. This is how I do it if I actually get the big tablet out. So, and what I do, we doing ragamuffin? One. And then synchronize it with the recording in the drone. So anyway, we go get that. And I saw some smoke when I was driving home. Now I don't see it. But look up that road. You can see in a second there was a lot of freaking emergency vehicles. And this is what, 2 days later, I think?
Recording audio as well?
Well, yeah, that's why I screen record, all right. Where were we looking? Right over here. I want to see all these. I have the air turned down a little bit so it doesn't blast in the microphones. It just happens to be right where I sit this. It's got the air blowing by the two mics. So here's Grand and Myrtle. Someone was trying to mention where it was. You can see they still have that road closed off. And now you can see the aftermath of everything. I don't know what they were doing. There was black smoke come up, quite really black. Just, I don't know, maybe I'll have it on my dash cam, maybe. Holy shit, it's still fucking burning. Holy shit. Oh, nuts. Cam, maybe. But whatever it is, they've completely put that out. Nothing's coming out of the ashes right now, but this is the aftermath. You know what else is funny? Somebody noticed I was just recording with my phone, not with the big tablet, the other day, and somebody put in the comment section, go, dude, they're 10 minutes. There's another drone.
Oh, I saw it too.
Yeah, and then right underneath me, a ways underneath me actually, you know, by the looks of it, but it looked like it might have been another DJI. Yep, they're still trying to put it out.
So it looks like
That's what I do.
trucks.
It's 2 exit, and then it looks like I'm a lot closer than I really am. Now, it looked like a recycling place, but then yet on the map it said it was some roofing place. So I'm not sure yet. Even somebody in the comments said it did look like it might have been roofing materials.
Formerly a roofing place.
Yeah, this place ain't coming back.
Well, that's not what
This is total devastation. It's a little jittery today. I did get out to get smoother flight.
So is it just the 2 trucks then? The 2 right there? Is there any other that you see? They had like all units.
Oh, there was more than I've ever seen on scene. On Saturday, if you try to count it, when I looked over the video, there must have been like 20 vehicles, emergency vehicles.
They were just trying to keep it from
up and down the road. Yeah, there's a third one there. So did they save the electric supply? There's electric supply over here, and it looks like it's good. Oh, they didn't kill that.
Yep, they had to go into work the next day.
Some of the vehicles survived. Some of it got charred, I'm sure. Oh, I can see that one truck's burnt down. Oh yeah, that truck got burnt down to the ground. That truck too. 2 trucks I see that are burnt. Too much of this stuff. It's not. I lost signal for a second. That right there. That's got to be like the heart of it. Also, just storage. They're still soaking it right here. Stuff did not fare too well, did it? stop.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not gonna stay here too long. I'll just want to kind of see the aftermath. Man. Yep, totally foobarred. Let's get a shot of the crew before we leave here.
So is it still smoking?
It was, but I can't see any now.
On my way home, I could see black smoke.
So they're just doing their thing.
Would we be too close to see this?
No, I mean, I didn't see it on the drone.
Those trees?
That's like half a mile up the road from where we're at. Just trying to reach for that monster. Well, don't forget that camera up there is recording you too. Look at the dash. Get up a little bit, it'll smooth out. Oh, I'm kicking.
It's getting into. No.
No, that's what's left of that section right there. Got the building, the two buildings closest to Grand, left and to the right, survived. But man, that whatever that was, roofing or recycling or whatever, it's just destroyed.
So the cleanup is going to be pretty brutal.
So this is showing someone oh, what are we looking at? Oh, forgot how far back my drone is compared to this scene, but that's what we're looking at right there. So Glendale Roofing and Construction. What it looks like, it doesn't show this being anything else right here. So that's right. Does it look like it's on the same property?
No, I see a wall there and then some trees.
Depends, yeah. So that, and then this over here said like electrical supply when I was looking the other day. I can't each electric. But this here.
You did a pretty good job containing, it seems, you know, from spreading.
Yep.
Wow.
But that's Grand Avenue. Someone was putting the address up in the comments, and they were saying the Wickenburg Highway, which technically that 6-lane road there is, but we call it Grand Avenue as it cuts through the valley, which the Interstate 60 does go across before it comes back out and heads towards Wickenburg, and eventually all the way up to the I-40, well, hits the 93, I-40, and whatnot.
Can you see it from Grand?
See what?
Can you drive past it from Grand now that Grand's open?
What do you mean?
Could we drive past
it? Yeah, but you're not going to see nothing over that wall.
Oh, okay.
Now, you would go down Myrtle, right across from Circle K, but they have all those roads closed. You can't even drive. You can't drive
people like us want to go see it. They don't have time to deal with that.
Yeah.
Don't blame that.
Yeah, it's closed. Yeah. Grand Avenue was closed when the fire was going on. Flying away. Not a whole lot to see there. They're just putting out the remnants of the ashes.
Do we know if there were any injuries or if everybody else? Did you ever look at news outlets to see what they said? Curious.
It seemed like the news was slacking. Go fast here. Nice wide shot as we leave. So with that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share, all that stuff. Catch you guys later.